So in this video now we learn how to print alternate number or maybe third number from a given range of number in Python. Okay, so now we'll move to Visual Studio. So now for this, nothing need to import. We just have to use that predefined for I in range. Okay, now I wanted to print between 1 to 10. So starting position. Okay, and then ending position. If we put 10, I will tell you what going to be happened. And so right now we're going to put that alternate. So I will put that 2. Okay, so that it will print that alternate letter, and I will do that print. Okay, print of I. Okay, so now if I run this one, let's see what going to be happen. We will not get that our result. So now you can see it's came till 1 to 10. Okay, 1 to 9. 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, if I put that here 11, what it's going to be happen? Now still it's coming 9. So you're not able to understand this one because if I remove this, okay, and then if I go ahead and run it, now you can see if I'm putting 11, then only it's coming till 10. If I put that 10, it will give us till 9. Okay, so what that means, a starting position is fine, but ending position it's not going to consider whatever we are providing. So we need to provide one more plus. Okay, so 10 till 10 we wanted, so we will provide till 11, and now we need that alternate, so we pass 3 2. Now if we need one more gap, so I can put that after every second one I need to print, then I will put 3. So now you can see 1 came, 2 3 got skipped, 4 came, 5 6 got skipped, 7 came, 8 9 skipped, and 10 came. Okay, so in this way, however we wanted to print, we can go ahead and print that number from given range and how many alternate or whatever we things we wanted to put in this way. I hope you like this video.